Hey guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to show you guys how to remove and replace horn on your Kia Niro station. Alright guys, this is 2023 Kia Niro, and the horn does not work. Vehicle is on the hoist right now. That is your horn right there. I unplugged the connector. I'm gonna go ahead and install my test light. My test light is all hooked up. I'm gonna lower the vehicle. All right, I'm gonna press the horn. That test light should turn on. With that simple test, with the help of this homemade test light, we found out that horn is bad. Thank you guys. Alright guys, so we have two horns here. This one, which is on the driver's side, and this one on the passenger side. The book says you gotta remove the bumper, but I think we can sneak this out without messing the bumper. Let's try that first. I love you, Brian. I love you guys. Yeah. There we go. That one is disconnected, and this one. Okay. There we go. Both of them are disconnected. Now let's go ahead and figure out how to remove that 10mm up there. Alright guys, so I do have this ratchet extension and 10mm. Let's give this a shot. Oops, no? Okay, there we go. Alright, so here is the first one. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and work on the second one. Don't fall. There you go. Here is the driver's side. Okay guys, so I do have this two horn here. and they do have two different part number. This one is 966118000, and this one is 966218000. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this one first. Okay, so the bracket is included. Okay, so now let's compare it. Oh, here we go. Here's the part number, and here is this guy. So 966218000. Yep. So this one is gonna go through the passenger side, and this one is gonna go to driver's side. There is like L right there, which is the same one as the old one, and 966118000, 966118000. So this is the left side, and this is the right side. Alright, let's go ahead and install the right side first. Alright guys, so hopefully you guys can able to see this. It's right there. Alright. Okay, it's hanging up there. I think I can turn it more. I want to make sure it's in. Alright, I think it's in. Now I'm going to use my tool to tie that thing. Alright, I got my 10mm back. I'm going to tie this slowly. There we go. Snug it. Okay. Now I'm going to plug this back. Okay. Alright. Let's move on to the next one. Okay. Here we go. Come on. There we go. Okay, I'm just gonna plug this back. All right. Okay. Uh-oh. I got one more. Where's... Huh. Oh, here we go. Alright guys, so the vehicle is in the ground and let's find out if we fix it. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Bye.